Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Ninjatrader like Tradingview. First, understand that while both are powerful, they excel in different areas. Ninjatrader offers robust execution and customizability, while Tradingview is known for its intuitive interface and extensive charting tools. Our goal is to bridge this gap, leveraging Ninjatrader's strengths while adopting Tradingview's user-friendly aspects. We'll focus on visual setup and workflow. To replicate Tradingview's visual appeal, begin by customizing your Ninjatrader charts. Adjust the background, candle colors, and grid lines to your preference. Then, add common indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD, configuring their parameters to match what you'd use on Tradingview. Experiment with different styles and save your personalized chart templates for consistent use across all your trading instruments. Next, optimize your workspace layout to enhance efficiency. Arrange your chart windows, order entry panels, and market depth displays in a way that feels intuitive and clean, similar to Tradingview's organized interface. If you use multiple monitors, spread your tools across them for maximum screen real estate. Create and save distinct workspaces for different trading strategies, allowing for quick transitions and focused analysis. Finally, consider advanced features to further enhance your Ninjatrader experience. Explore the extensive ecosystem of third-party add-ons that can introduce new indicators or functionalities, bridging any remaining gaps with Tradingview. Practice consistently with a simulated trading account to fine-tune your setup and strategies without financial risk. Remember, continuous refinement of your trading environment is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.